What's up, people? Quick look in the loft. Check some eggs. We've got a couple of new babies. Let's check these eggs. Hey, he bites hard, this fella sometimes. Hey, mate. Still eggs. Hey. He bites right between your fingers. He bites you, that fella. Right. Let's check this girl.
Oh, what's all done?
Yeah. Still eggs. Oh, she bit me. That's they're going over today, them fellas. And them and 5 others. I've got 7 babies going over there. Them 2 are going over to the flying loft. And your black cockbird, he's on eggs too. Come on, mate, eh? Come on. Oh, babies. 2 little fresh hatchlings there. And my black cockbird. Good boy, mate. Hey, good boy. Should be good babies. What else? These one chipped out the other day. Pencil fella's birds. He's got big babies. He's getting big now. Come here, mate. He usually has a dark checker and a blue bar, this fella does. Come on, mate. Yeah, come on down, big fella. That's his babies there. He's usually pretty quiet, that fella. Come on. These big blokes, grizzles. So I found out today off a bloke in one of the comments that baby over the back is actually a grizzle pied, so pretty cool to know. We've got a grizzle pied now, bros. This bloke's on his on another round of eggs. They're only just sort of freshly laid, those eggs, but he's got the white baby and the grizzle baby, not too far from going over, but another week or so and they can go over too. I'll put them on the floor soon, putting their tail feathers and all that. Check under the wings. There's the wing. See, they're not quite feathered up under the wings yet. And there is this bloke. But getting there, getting close. Thought he was going to be pure white, but he's actually a grizzle. He's got a bit of brown or a bit of yellow through him, that white one, but still pretty cool. Right.
This is my pied one.
Out. Oh, look at all the babies here, so they're nearly ready to go over too, those ones. I'll give them another couple of days too, but they're not quite ready, but they keep sort of pushing mum and dad off the eggs. But that's another one of the youngsters going over today. That one, they're the 2 bronze ones. And, yeah. Okay, so yeah, we've got these babies too. An old white cockbird and a blue checker hen. Hey. They're going to be quite they usually have 2 grizzles, these blokes, so I would guess grizzles again. Come on, mate. Little crops are full, so it's good. He looks like he got a dark beak, that one, so he might be, who knows, he might throw back to the mother a bit, that fella, but the other chicks are a fair bit bigger than that one, so interesting. Yeah, that's these checker babies. Oh, the dad's on the eggs pretty good, he's got them tucked up under him, but don't go catching the babies, mate, please. That's one of the babies going over today, but Bronx, mate, jump out if you're going to catch the birds, but I'm trying to make a quick video. That one there's got like slight, that baby's got slight ticks on his eyes. Just a little one, and that one there's just a plain old, just a plain blue checker. Come on. I've got that temporary nest there for them, so they leave the bloody father alone on his eggs. But that one here. He's got little ticks on both eyes, that fella. Come on, get your eggs here, mate. He's got them packed up under him pretty well, so that's alright. Does a good job. How you going, Bronx?
Good.
Good.
The mighty man.
Right, we're going to. It's quite windy today, and all right, eh? But we'll go. I was gonna actually take the birds for a little toss today. Just them young birds, probably about just a little one out the road, 10 or 15 k's. But yeah, it's too freaking windy. But it's actually starting. It's calming down now, so I'll let them out for a loft fly and see how we go. I put extra racks in. I put extra perches in here yesterday because we're gonna put the other 7 youngsters in. So I so it's got the regular racks that side and that side. I just put extra racks there. It's going to be quite crowded until the new loft comes, but it's just the way it's going to be. There's still plenty of room. They've got enough racks and that, but yeah, we might let them go for a fly so I can transfer those babies over. Oh, she's called a guy. Okay, Hayes, can you let the birds out, sweetie, please? Don't try to catch them when they're flying, guys. Out of the road, Oski. We lost one to a grizzle to a falcon the other day. Ripped it real bad. Keep the door open, guys. How'd you go? Come on. There must be on eggs, that one, is it? Or not? Is that it? Just the babies left? That's good, that's awesome. Okay, guys. They like to go in the fly loft and look for eggs. The kids do. Birds. What was it, Bronx?
An egg that they crushed
in the flying loft.
Crush it with a brick.
Hope the falcon doesn't come back today. We get a lot of black falcons.
Not very
And they get them pretty much every day or every other day, but they sort of have a bit of a dive with the birds and then that's it. But the peregrine falcon gets into them a bit worse than so there's some wild birds. The peregrine falcon gets into them a bit worse than the black falcon. And, a bit more savage, I think, the peregrines than the black falcon. Can't see the birds now. I'm going to put these youngsters over now, Bronx. So what we'll do is we'll start taking them over and come. I might just get the toss basket, put them on the toss basket and take them over that way. You want to grab that? Can you get that basket out, mate? You got that? Right. Okay, mate. Keep our feeding that in there.
I know how to climb down this when I hide it.
Yep. Good job, Brunch. You wanna catch them and pass them to me, or I'll catch them and pass them to you.
Can I catch him?
Yeah, I'll film you catching them. Just don't stir too many birds out when you're doing it, champ.
Try not to.
But just don't grab any yet. I'll tell you when to start. I'll just get this basket ready. Right. Okay, mate. Let's get the youngsters. One, good job. Put him straight down and in there, mate, if you can, please. Good. Good job there, one. Hang on, I've got that. Just one at a time we'll do, mate.
Right.
So you can handle them. Good. Hold the door, champ.
See that?
Tail feathers out. I did mid-air. Good stuff. Ready? We've got 4 to go. 4 to go. We've got them on the ground weaning for the last probably 5 or 6 days.
These two are nest mates.
Yeah, nest mates, those two. Right. You guys all right with those old grunts. How many you got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 2 more. Got a black one and a white one left, mate. You get your black one down there.
Oh.
Stand there. Now the white one's up the top there, mate. You can reach him.
I think I might be able to.
Good job, mate. That's the last of them, that's 7. Now, do you want to film for a bit and I'll carry him over, mate?
Yeah.
Some of the babies there that we're putting over. 7 little rippers.
Start getting them.
So, yeah, look at that black one. He's not too keen, is he?
That black one's my one.
There's 2 youngsters in there already that don't go out flying. They've been on one little fly around, but so there'll be 9 young babies in there. Put him in, Bruns. They look pretty good. Just drop them on the floor, mate. Watch their wings and that, mate. Tuck them up properly. Good.
His nest mate here.
That's his nest mate. Good job. The nest mates, those pair. Looking about, they are. We've got to get them some fresh feed and that. Fix up the loft in a minute for them. Good job, mate. Brunt's doing it all himself. He earns his keep, this young fella. Want some help, mate? No, you're all over pretty Brunt. Yeah, I'll give you a hand, mate. You got him? You right?
Oh, we nearly got away.
You won't go far, mate. You righty? I can open it, look out. He's all over it, my old Brunt. Yep, good boy. We got the white one left. He's a good little pigeon fancy, this bloke, mate, I'm telling you. Real good. He's been a pigeon fancy for the last couple of years, haven't you, mate?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I'll do a lot of scratch. Don't worry about that, mate. I'll take that back in a minute. Yeah, let's have a look. So that's one of the babies we just put over is up the top there.
2 of them.
Oh yeah, 2.
2 there, 1 there, and 4 there.
I don't know how they act when all the birds come back from the fly, but they look alright. I'll get them some fresh food now and
Do you want me to get the feeder?
I've already got a scoop of food here somewhere for a mate. I'll throw that in. So those 2 on the frame now, they're the ones that are already in here. Those young fellas and
Them 2, but not the black pied.
them ones are all the new ones. So yeah, I will keep checking on the next couple of days and I might make a video in about 2 or 3 days and let you know how they're going. Yep.
Might even have one a month.
We've got to feed the birds and keep these youngsters fed and we'll talk to you again soon. And see yous.